Hello, good morning everyone. This is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Glad to see you. Today I'd like to introduce you our metal deck roll forming machine. This is a special metal deck. Its profile is here. You can see it has a 80 millimeters height. It is very similar to Floor 80 profile joint. This profile joint made by our roll forming machine. This roll forming machine has 33 roll forming stations, and totally the roll forming length is around 25 meters long. So let's have a look at this very big roll forming machine. From at the beginning, it is a leveler. It is a feeding part. Then we have here the embossment part. This embossment needs very high precision machining process. So that the embossment will come out match with the size. This embossment has 4 millimeters height. It is very high. Normally the embossment is around 2 millimeters, but this time we made 4 millimeters height. Then we keep going. Here you can see this is a slitting machine. The feeding coil is 1000 millimeters, but the real feeding width for the profile joint is smaller. So we make here a slitting roller. Here you can see here is a slitting roller. So it will cut the small parts and here recycle the steels. Then you can get a very good coil width. It will help the customer doesn't need the slitting line. It will have a great cost. So this machine can save your money. Then we going. Here now we enter into the roll forming part. You can see here from the embossment and the forming rollers. It will forming slowly and slowly. We totally have 33 forming stations here because the customer use a very high strength panel. It is around 350 MPa high strength panel. And the thickness of this panel is 1 millimeters. So it asked we have to roll form it slowly and slowly. This machine have totally 3 motors. Each one is 15 kilowatts. So the working power of this line complete is 45 kilowatts. And 3 motors controlled by inverters. We have 2 inverters in this line. That's why the price is a little bit higher. And at last, we will check about the cutting. Let's have a look how it works automatically. Let's have a look. This is our control cabinet. You have the touch screen here, and you can control it. Now we are in automatic mode. Then we will start work. We will cut some pieces of 500 millimeters. So later we will measure how is the length.切个2-3片就够了。
切个3片就可以了。
You can set the quantity and the length in the PLC touchscreen, so the machine will work automatically. Now we set 500 millimeters. And 3 pieces. The working speed is adjustable. Okay. 尺子 The setting length is 500 millimeter. We check the length. 500 millimeters, perfect. Because we use Koyo brand, the lens has a very high precision. That will Linbay machinery will promise you when you receive your machine, the machine is totally, completely adjusted. So you can start producing profiles once you have received our machine. This is the 80mm height metal deck roll forming machine. If you are also interested in, please feel free to contact with Lydia, and Linbay machinery will be your best choice of roll forming machine. See you next time. Bye bye.